Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous two parts of this series, we were talking about the series class in general and about creating series objects in pandas. In this part, we'll be talking about another fundamental pandas data type, the data frame. You can imagine a data frame as a sequence of series objects, all sharing the same index. But even better than to imagine things is to see them in action. So let's create a data frame. First, we'll create two series objects with the same indices, then we'll make a data frame from them. So, here are our series objects. First, we have to import pandas and numpy. And now let's create a series object. Atomic numbers. So, this is how you create a series object. You already know that. Here we have a dictionary with the names of chemical elements and their atomic numbers. And now we want to print this series. Control Enter. Here it is. Now let's create another series object, this time atomic masses. It's another series object where the names of the elements are the keys and their atomic masses are the values. Let's print them out. Here they are. Now these two data structures could now be combined into one, the data frame. To do that, we'll pass another dictionary to the constructor of the DataFrame class. The keys will be the names of the two columns that will be created, and the corresponding values will be the two dictionaries we just created. So let's define the elements data frame. Here the keys will be the names of the columns, and the values are the two series objects we just created. Let's print them out. Elements. And here we have our data frame, where you can see two columns, atomic number and atomic mass. And here's the data from these two series objects. So what we just got is a clear two-dimensional data structure that contains all the information combined. Just like we had the values and index attributes with the series class, here we have the index and columns attributes that will give us index objects. So let's print them out. First, elements index. And we get this. Now, elements columns. And we get this. So here we got the indices, and here we got the columns. You can use the column name to obtain a series of all the elements in that column. So let's say I want to obtain a series object with all data from this column, atomic mass. And now what we get is a series object. Now we can make sure whether it's really a series object by checking its type. Type elements atomic mass is series. In the next part, we'll see how to create data frame objects. There are quite a few ways of doing this. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.